And we're live. What's up with you? Welcome back to another vlog. Today is what day is today? Today is Thursday, the day after Wednesday. And yesterday was my Independence Day, February 2nd, the day that I gained independence, the day that I moved out, So 2 years in, and it's great. It's been great so far. Like overall, there's been some ups and downs, but overall, it's been great. Yeah, I can't complain. So, and I'm drinking my protein shake, and after I finish, then I'm gonna go to the gym. Yesterday was full body day, so today might be upper body day. Fuck, I don't like upper body day because my arms are kind of weak. I'm not as strong as I need to be yet, and I'm always giving me some like real heavy weights. But anything, I'm not afraid, Yeah, so I'm ready for the day, and continue watching. All right, like, comment, subscribe. We're out here. She wanna Birkin for all the time she was hurting. Yeah, YouTube. So I'm on my way to the gym now. 9 o'clock. Why am I always late? Fuck. Why am I always late to do everything? I need to drop that habit in. That's crazy. I can't believe it's 9 o'clock already. I'm just gonna warm up the car now and then drive out. So peace and love. Peace and love to all. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. I'm always having a wonderful day, because life is what you make it. Life is 5% what happens. Yes, life is really 5% what happens and 95% how you take it, or you react to it, or you deal with it. So life is in your control, bro. Live a good life. Live one with love. Live one that's gonna make you happy. Yeah, and go for the things that you wanna go for. Yeah. And that's my talk for today. Thank you. Peace. Bro God. We circle them ends, boy, mother ball out. Oh God. Nobody kill him. I'm my one son. Isn't me? Yeah, so I just finished with the gym. Yeah, today was hectic. Today was dangerous, bro. I wouldn't recommend today at all for beginners. Yeah, I did the pull-ups on the bar, then the push-up pull-ups, then then the curls, and then after that, I did a whole lot of things. Then I did the lower body. It was a full body workout today, 1.5 hours. Dangerous. Today's probably the hardest I've ever gone. Yeah, but you don't know. You keep going hard. Cause I'm back going hard again. I'm shutting down my heart again. No one can get next to me, so they gotta put others in. Yeah. Yeah, so right now I'm just gonna fresh up. Take off fresh, then I'm gonna go to the bank. Cause I really be going to the bank more than I go to the clubs and shit. So yeah. So do that, then get some lunch. And yeah. So let's do this. Yeah, YouTube. So I'm off to the bank now. Yeah, take care of some business, and then I get some lunch. I'm uploading a video right now. My epic adventure to Montego Bay. Oh, you can't see it. You cannot see it. My epic adventure to Mo Bay. Yeah. This vlog's gonna be a nice one. I enjoyed that trip. Cologne that I'm wearing today is the Dior Sauvage. Yeah. I'm out here. What am I gonna have for lunch today? Maybe I'll have some fish. I think I might get some fish for lunch. But before that, I'm gonna go to the bank, as I said, and yeah, do that. Yeah. I beg you, bring me go home. I said to carry me go east. Cause man a Rasta man. And Rasta man live by no capture land. You know what I mean? The whole of the Americas are capture land. And man a Rasta man bring me east to the land of my forefathers. Africa. Yeah, baby. Cause man a Rasta man. Them take my camera up on ship come here. Me tell you, say I want come here. Can I go me yard? Africa. Hey, dimmy. Yeah, so I got a nice little park right near the bank when I'm going. New Kingston. Paid parking. Yo, bro, life is expensive, you know? Every little thing costs, isn't it? Yeah, that's why I have to always be on the grind. I have to always working. Work don't stop, okay? Yeah, oh, you can walk. You can walk this way. This will be shorter. Nice. Like, comment, subscribe. Out here. Yo, me have some bro ever clean. Always overdressed. Right now, I'm clean dog. I go in the bank. I have some dog where, even when them go like supermarket, clean. You see me? Right, that's where I go. I'm out here on the vlogs, okay? Yeah. So yeah, YouTubes, I finished with the bank. And as I was saying outside, yo, I have some friends like Dishin, Sanjay, and them man, they always clean to the bone, you know what I mean? Yeah. And I remember my older brother Bobby used to always tell me, we have to always clean because we never know where the night may take us. You know? That's a film talk. You never know where the night may take us, so you have to always clean. You see me? Yeah, so I'm gonna get some lunch now. I'm gonna stop by at my home real quick and then you see me? Yeah, like, comment, subscribe out here. Hey, you know the Vibes Cartel that when him say Fed skill blacks last week. My pass when them a take him up. I say the baby mother set him up. Yeah, that song the body fuck. The man score sing it. And that's the toughest song me in a while, no jokes. Vibes Cartel full of stories, full of lyrics. Tough. Yeah. I'm gonna get Island Grill at it. Well, Island Grill. Why do I like Island Grill? I'm gonna go back and get some of that fish fillet. Never really want to spend all the money on food, you know, but it is what it is. I want some fish in my system. I'm tired of the chicken thing. But I haven't eaten Island Grill in a while. You know, I'm gonna get some Island Grill. I haven't had any Island Grill in a while, bro. Because yesterday was my Independence Day, and I had some curry goat yesterday. I had fish yesterday too. I had some fish in the thing yesterday. So I'm gonna get some Island Grill. Island Grill probably miss me. Ooh. The Beamer is fast. Ooh. Ooh. Like, comment, subscribe. Okay, Beamer side of dream car says Porsche. Yeah, I'm parking right. That's the side of it. I'll stay so well. Not even dream car. Probably every holiday this year. If everything goes, yeah. I mean, when it comes to the crop, we are cream, isn't it? Cream of the crop. Fuck. Let's kill black last week. So I noticed the Beamer, bro. The Beamer, it's fatter than the Benz. It's more comfortable than my Benz. You know what I mean? The brakes, I like the brakes way more than my Benz, isn't it? I believe it can go fast and like it stop when I want it to stop, you know? Yeah. But I don't think it's faster than the Benz, you know, or at least it don't pick up as fast as the Benz. The Benz have like some thing in there. You see me? Yesterday I went to check on my Benz and they said that they want 4 struts. The struts are garbage. The struts them done. So I know that's gonna cost me an arm and a leg. So maybe you're gonna see me with 1 arm and 1 leg after I deal with that. You know? But this is the car that I was talking about also. It's a nice little Porsche. White Porsche. Next to me. Maybe this year. Or next year. I don't know. We'll see what happens. If the Lord is willing or not. You know? So that is that. So I'm gonna get some Island Grill now, bro. I miss Island Grill. I'm gonna get just enough. With a guava pineapple regular order. Sempre. That's gonna cost 1,075. So I'm gonna see if I have no change and go do that and come back real quick. You're gonna stay here or you're coming with me? What are you doing? You gotta stay here, okay? I don't wanna have the whole heap of load and all that. You understand? Just stay here, okay? Yeah. So what I deal with? Some guava pineapple. I understand. That way. So yeah, so right now I'm gonna take this car to the car wash because it's extremely dirty, but I'm gonna eat first. Or maybe I'll just eat while I'm at the car. I'll see how the car wash look. If it's totally, then I'm gonna leave. If the video like, comment, subscribe, please.